Hi everyone, we hope that you are doing well and staying safe. CCI is delighted to announce the creation of a Youth Council. The Youth Council of CCI will be established to ensure that Chin Youth's beliefs, values, and interests are well represented in the decision-making process of CCI. We also hope to lead, inspire, educate, and influence our Chin community in the larger Indianapolis. And no, this is not a typical council where you will be constantly engaged in educational activities. We have created 5 different committees so that you can do what you love while giving back to your community. The 5 committees are Research, CCI Youth Media, Events, Education, and Service Committee. In Research, we will research an issue that affects Chin Youth in our community and present problems and potential solutions to CCI board members. In CCI Youth Media, we will have talk shows where interviewers, videographers, editors, and script writers will be needed. In Events, we will create ideas for decorations of events overseen and run by CCI. In Education, we will have mentorship programs where we will educate, assist, and contribute to the larger community. And lastly, in Service, we will scout volunteers for events overseen and run by CCI and plan service projects. This is a wonderful opportunity to give back to your community. However, you must meet these requirements. 1, you must be an incoming high school senior, college freshman, sophomore, or junior. And 2, you must reside in the state of Indiana. However, all exceptions can be made for outstanding individuals. The application is due on May the 22nd, and you can access it down below. So no more sitting around and waiting for actions to happen. It is our time to use our talent and gift for the betterment of our people. We are the future, so let's do it!